Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Get ready to be blown away because Google, in a fierce battle with other tech giants, just amped up its AI game. Remember Bard, that cool chatbot showcasing Google's AI brilliance? Well, while Bard was stealing the limelight, our trusty Google Assistant was quietly evolving in the shadows. In a recent hardware event in New York, Google dropped a bombshell update for the Assistant. They fused the charm of Bard with the reliability of our Assistant, creating a mind-bending blend of intelligence and efficiency that's set to redefine our digital interactions. But wait, there's more. Stay tuned, because in the second half of this video, we'll unravel another sensational AI breakthrough from Google, DynIBaR. Ready for this mind-boggling adventure? Hit that subscribe button below to stay updated with all the major AI news and innovations. The future of technology is just a click away. Get ready to witness the future, right here on our channel. Alright, now when you think of Google Assistant, you'd probably picture a handy tool that responds to your voice commands. But with Bard in the mix, it's stepping up to a whole new level. The upgrade was unveiled by the engineering leader for Google Assistant, where she introduced a fresh version that's like a blend of the classic Assistant and Bard, taking it beyond just voice responses. The new mashup brings an exciting twist. It's not just about answering your questions anymore. This upgraded version has become truly multimodal. Now, it not only listens to your queries, but also comprehends images. Imagine having a sidekick that's there for the big things, like planning your dream vacations, and the little things, like crafting witty captions for your Instagram snapshots. While it's still in its early stages, the potential is absolutely exhilarating. What sets this Bard-infused assistant apart is its ability to process not just text and voice, but also image-based inquiries. And here's the fascinating part. It responds back in a format that makes sense, be it text or voice. Initially, this feature will be exclusive to mobile devices, a sort of VIP experience for approved Android users. Picture it as a full-screen app or an overlay, similar to the current Assistant setup. For iPhone users, it's likely to seamlessly integrate within one of Google's existing apps. Google isn't the only player in this arena. Amazon's Alexa has become chattier, and OpenAI's ChatGPT is also delving into multimodal capabilities. However, Google's concoction seems to have the upper hand. It can engage in a conversation about the web page you're browsing, adding an extra layer of convenience to your mobile experience. Now, let's talk about the cool factor. Bard plays a pivotal role in helping the Assistant decipher images. Imagine snapping a picture of a stylish pair of sneakers or a timeless painting and passing it over to the Assistant. Unlike before, where Google Lens would merely identify the item or attempt to sell it to you, the new Assistant understands the context of the image. This functionality can be a game changer in various scenarios. Say you come across a picturesque hotel on Instagram. With a simple tap, you can ask the Assistant to fetch more details about the hotel, check its availability for your birthday weekend, and just like that, it's done. Similarly, if you spot a product you like, the Assistant can provide instant insights. In a nutshell, this mashup isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in how we interact with technology. Stay tuned, because the future of AI-driven assistants has just taken a quantum leap forward. Imagine snapping a picture and simply asking your Assistant to find it online for you. Sounds like every shopper's dream, right? Well, Google's latest innovation hints at just that. Although Google hasn't partnered with commercial listings yet, this feature might soon integrate shopping seamlessly into Bard's capabilities. It's not merely about making a quick buck, it's about evolving the Assistant to cater to what users truly desire. Now, diving into the technical marvel behind this leap, we encounter the magic of large language models. These models have revolutionized AI's comprehension of text and speech, making interactions with voice assistants more natural and intuitive. Yet, as experts caution, this tech leap, while incredible, is not without its challenges. One major concern is ensuring that AI remains free from harmful biases, especially in the realm of voice assistants. Moreover, this upgrade opens doors for more personalized interactions by delving into your emails and documents to provide tailored responses. While this is exciting, it raises concerns about data privacy and security. Striking a delicate balance between offering a super smart assistant and ensuring user data stays secure is crucial. In the grand scheme, this upgrade acts as a teaser for the thrilling AI-driven transformation on the horizon. As this tech matures, who knows, it might revolutionize how we interact with the digital realm, making our lives not just easier but also a bit more fun. Now let's shift our focus to another groundbreaking creation from Google. Ever wished your smartphone could pull off Hollywood-style video effects? Well, Google's new tech, DynIBaR, is here to grant that wish. This ingenious tool allows you to freeze time, swish the camera around, or slow down action, all from a single video shot on your phone. DynIBaR, which stands for Neurodynamic Image-Based Rendering, is a groundbreaking method illustrated in a paper honored at CVPR 2023. It unlocks photorealistic free viewpoint renderings from a mere single video of a complex dynamic scene. This technology opens up a new world of video effects, bringing the magic of bullet time effects, video stabilization, depth of field tweaks, and slow motion effects, all from just one video shot on your phone. But here's the real excitement. The code for DynIBaR has been shared with the public, inviting everyone to explore its endless possibilities. At its core, this innovation addresses a challenge that most videographers grapple with: the 4D scene reconstruction problem. Traditional methods tend to output blurry, inaccurate renderings when applied to dynamic scenes. DynIBaR, however, introduces a fresh rendering paradigm by storing only motion, a smoother and sparser signal, utilizing input video frames to determine everything else required to render new views. Intriguingly, DynIBaR incorporates scene motion during rendering, tackling the motion of every 3D point in a scene. It represents this motion using a motion trajectory field encoded by a neural network. While reconstructing and deriving new views for a complex moving scene is a highly ill-posed problem with numerous solutions, DynIBaR introduces cross-time rendering to obtain high-quality results. This technique utilizes the state of a 4D representation at one time instant to render images from a different time instant, ensuring coherence over time. With DynIBaR, Google bridges the gap between professional videography and everyday smartphone users, making cinematic creativity accessible to everyone. It showcases the strides AI and machine learning have made, hinting at a future where your smartphone effortlessly transforms ordinary moments into cinematic treasures. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on all my future uploads. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.